What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to take the Integra for a spin in this hilly, curvaceous area. I'm in the state of Alabama right now. Got all these hills, great driving roads, and I have not seen roads this steep in all of my days of driving. So about to get on these roads, have a little bit of fun back here. And before I do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Give y'all a sneak peek of what we got to deal with. This is not even the worst of it. So this is walking up the driveway now, and we're about to take a look down the street. As you can see, it goes all the way down and back up, and the Integra is way down there. So it's really steep, really hilly. So let's get in the car and burn a few blocks real quick. I'm falling coming down this hill, so steep, but let's mount it up in the car and get on the road. Let's tackle these hills. Oh, before we roll back and hit the fence. Ooh, steep hill. God, these hills are so steep, man. It's a car that was in the ditch right there earlier, slid off the road over there. Always gotta look far down that road, man. Whoa. Bumping the curve is not good. Get up this hill. Hey. these hills look like you about to just run off the edge of a cliff. Oh my God, good thing I slowed down because this car just stopped right here. And hopefully nobody comes behind me. Bro, what is going on right here? You gotta move, dude. You can't stop at the top of a hill. Stop right at the top of a hill with cars behind me. Good thing they saw me. Woo. This LSD in this car is good. Instead of doing that goofy pull to the side, it just goes straight. So that's awesome. You gotta watch it coming out these hills onto these curves. Woo. It's that car that stopped in the middle of the road on the hill. Dangerous. Back to the top of this dangerous hill. That's the car that stopped. Made it back in one piece. Integra did this thug dizzle. But now, about to go back in the house. Gotta head back to Michigan in the morning. So it's about 750 miles. So got that long road trip ahead. I'm gonna get some rest, relax for the rest of the day. But I will catch you all very soon in another video after this one. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Catch you all in the next video. Peace out.